Before that, happy new year guys. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make $1,000 per month using completely free tools and the traffic. I'm going to walk you through entire step-by-step guide, so watch the video until the end. Before that, like, share, subscribe, and if you watch the video until the end, that you can win £10 PayPal money. Just jump into the video guys. So in this video we're going to use this website. Is called Clipchamp. It's a video editing platform, but they are doing more than video editing platform. I'm gonna walk you through it because they will convert your text into speech, a completely free tool guys, and they will convert your text into speech like a human voice, and you can add clip for your videos to make a perfect YouTube video, and you can make money from it. You are not going to make money from YouTube. There's a couple of the way. Before that, what you're gonna do, you're going to go to any affiliate platform. My favorite one is Digistore24 or Clickbank, and you're going to find the product that you want to promote. So in this video I keep it simple like a weight loss. So you're going to find this product. Each sale going to make you 96 euros, roughly around $100 guys. Or if you come to Clickbank, you can find this product. If you promote that, you're going to make $127 guys. So now what you have to do is creating content. You have to give value in convert the customer or the viewers into customers. So you need to give them value. You can't just convert them like that. So you need to provide some value. What you have to do, go to Google and find an article about health and fitness or weight loss, whatever the product that you are promoting. After that, you combine together, make a simple articles. I'm not going to show you that, but you can do that. You took bullet points from this article to another bullet point, different articles, combine together, make a top 10 videos, something like that, or education videos. It depends guys. So what, after you ready the article, what you have to do, you have to go ahead to this website called Clipchamp.com, and you're going to create a free account with them. You can use any social media account to create. So I use my Facebook to create this account here. After that, it will take the, this is the dashboard. So inside that dashboard it's going to look like. So what you're going to do after that, you're going to click this one called AI voiceover. This is a beta version. So if you click that, with the free version they're going to give you 6 different voices. So for example, I can show you that.
Pleased to meet you. My name is Sophie. I love curling up with a good book and a glass of wine after a day of voiceover.
Hello there.
This is the older voice.
My voice is what?
So you can get the idea. So there is a different type of voice here. So for the free version, you have 6 different voices. You can go here and find the one. After what you do, so for example, I can show you. Copy the article that you want. Copy that here and go to Clipchamp and paste it on here. And click this one called generate preview. It will take a couple of seconds to generate a voiceover preview for you guys.
If your doctor recommends it, there are ways to lose weight safely.
See that guys?
Weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds.
The voice is actually look like a human voice. After that, what you're going to do, you're going to click add media library. I already did that. So after you click add media library, it will appear here. All you have to do, drag and drop into here, edit the platform here. So your voiceover is here. So if you click play button,
your doctor recommends it. There are ways
your
to
video is the voice is playing. Now what you have to do, you have to add. So you need to add videos here. So all you have to do, click this one called stock. And here you can find a video for free guys. So if I click this one, free forever, these videos that you can use in this video for free. But for most of the videos, a premium account is needed. So don't worry guys, you don't have to buy a premium account. You can go to any royalty free video website here like a Pixels, and you can download these videos. After that, what you're gonna do, go here, add media, and you're gonna browse the file, and you're going to take the file from your computer here. So copy this file and put it on here. So your video is ready now. What you're going to do, you're going to drag and drop the video onto editor platform here. So you're going to tap here and you're going to put it on here, and you're going to put another video here. So if I go here and put the video here, and simple guys, you can drag and drop. After that, what you're going to do here, so after you add the video, if you want to add the text, click this text button here, and you can select the different type of text style you want, and you can drag and drop it on here. And you can add overlays if you want, and you can add the background for that, or you can do the transition, you can do the transition and everything guys. Also, if we go to here to add media, if you go to here if you go to stock here again, and if you click audio, then you can find a free audio file from here. So if you want, click this add button here. If you want to add a GIF, you can select this free GIF here. So you can see this is your background music. You can tap track and drop it on here, and if you click audio section in the top of here, and you can reduce the background sound so that your voiceover is you can reduce the background music. You don't need 100% background music. 10% is enough. And let's play the video, guys.
If your doctor recommends it, there are ways to lose weight.
That's it. So you find you're gonna use a free tools like this one to create a content for all the social media, guys. After what you're going to do, you're going to click export button here, and it will take it here. With a free account, you can only have a 480 resolution, and if you upgrade it, so for example, you want to upgrade 720, that's £9 per month, $9 per month. And if you want a 1080p, which is $20 per month. But again, guys, if you want to try it out, you can use the free version here, and what you're going to use, you can select 480 here, and you're going to select continue, and it will take you to this page where the upgrade where the encoding happen, and your video will be downloaded into your computer, and I can show you the final version here, guys. Now 480p is a lack of resolution, I know, but again, for the initial stage you have to start somewhere else, so you can do it here, start now, then you can upgrade it for the higher version. Now what you do when you create contents on weight loss or whatever the niche they are promoting, you can use the free traffic like a Facebook here. You can see join all the group and pages here, post content every single day. You can make 1-2 minute video, guys, and you can post it on here, ask them to DM you, then you can put your affiliate offers to them. So you can update upload your videos into YouTube. Even though if you don't know, or if you are not eligible for monetization, you can make money with affiliate marketing for in the initial stage, guys. Then you can use Twitter, you can use Pinterest. You can see in Pinterest you can upload videos, guys, full-length videos. You can grow your Pinterest page. From there you can redirect the traffic to your affiliate page, guys, and you can use the parlay to get instant traffic. You can see this person upload these articles around 39 minutes ago, already have 13 views, guys. You can get instant view from parlay. And again, you can upload the videos to Dailymotion, or you can do LinkedIn, whatever the social media is available, you can upload it everywhere. You can promote these affiliate offers through your content, guys, and you can make money. So I showed you a website. People are I already recommend another website, but this is expensive. But here this is free. Again, 480p is less resolution, I know, but again, for you have to start somewhere else to begin everything, guys. So if you want, you can try it out. I'm not promoting this website, there's no affiliate link here, just I came across this website today, so I want to make you a video, guys. That's what I did. So if you really like this video, leave a like, share these videos, and when this video get 100 likes, I will do the giveaway. And again, there's a £10 giveaway gonna start on end of this week, guys, so watch out that for, guys. Until then, have a good day, see you next video, guys.